Dear Cheri, how can I make a small batch of weed butter? I'm just one person and I don't use edibles a lot, so making a big batch would be a waste. Plus, I never have that much cannabis at once. Is it possible to just make a very small batch of cannabis butter, say what you would use in a single recipe? Well, that is a great question. The short answer to that is yes, you can. Before I get to the longer answer of how to do it, I just want to remind everybody to hit that YouTube subscribe button and notification bell because I try to upload new videos every Wednesday. Also, please do me a huge favor. If you get value out of my videos, please hit that like button too because it helps us be seen in YouTube's algorithms. Okay, back to the question, can you make a small batch of weed butter, like a small batch, like just enough for a single recipe? And the answer is yes, yes, you can. There are several ways to do this, and so when you're saying a small batch of cannabis butter, I'm guessing you are meaning like a half a cup or even a cup maybe, but a half a cup on the low end. And you can do this, and there's a couple methods to do it. The easiest way without any special gadgets is to use the mason jar method of infusing. And if you don't know that method, I'm going to put a link in the comments below to an article that's going to show you exactly how to infuse your cannabis with the mason jar method. But it's very easy. All you need is a jar, a kitchen towel, a pot, and your stovetop. And you could infuse a very, very small amount of cannabis butter or oil that way. Also, you're going to want to check your dosages, of course, anytime you're making butter or oil. So be sure to see the comments below for my free edibles dosing class. And if you do cook edibles a lot, even if they are in small batches, you might want to invest $5 in my Dosage Calculators. That can tell you pretty much exactly how much is in the per serving doses of your homemade edibles. So check out the comments below for those. Another way to make a small batch of cannabis butter or oil is in a gadget like the ARDENT FX or the ARDENT Nova. And you can still use the little jar, and then you just put that in the ARDENT or the FX and put it on the infused setting, and you will have a small batch of infused butter or infused oil or anything you would like to infuse with cannabis. So those are great gadgets for those who cook with cannabis. I highly recommend them. They work terrific. So that is another way to infuse small batches of weed butter or weed oil. Hope this helps. See you all next time. Eat your weed.